If there is one journalist that Suchitra Sen kept in touch with throughout her life, that was Gopal Krishna Rai. He used to work in the UNI and has since written 4 books on Suchitra Sen. These are just 2 of them. With me, Gopalda. Gopalda, first of all, let me ask you of your thoughts today. What are you feeling?
Actually, today I am very much shocked to hear her sad demise. I had an idea that this time also she may back to home. But this morning came to me a very sad news. Let her rest in peace.
Gopalda, you have written 4 books on her. You have spent so much time with her. Let me ask you about a story that I have heard about, and that is the kissing scene. I believe you asked her for her comments on that. What happened?
Actually, what happened, a long back, at that time I think Bashant Sate was information minister. There was a question raised in the Delhi Parliament, whether kissing will allow in the screen or not. At that time, all elderly people, they vehemently opposed it and said that no, there should not be kissing, should be shown in the screen. However, it was dropped. Then I thought, let me prepare a questionnaire and send it to director, producer. In Calcutta, at that time, Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen, all are big shots in Calcutta. Then I sent them a questionnaire, a 10-point questionnaire.
Also Suchitra Sen?
Also Suchitra Sen, Soumitra, altogether 10%. So most of them replied immediately. They are very much really prompt. Or you see that Suchitra Sen was started dallying of us. She is very much non-interested to give any reply. At that time, we are journalists. And I pushing up.
Kept asking her.
Then I told her what happened, why you are not answering my questionnaire. So what questionnaire? And I have sent that I got. However, you give me a telephone tomorrow. All right. And next day I telephoned, rang her. She said, it is difficult to give a kiss to others. Well, বাংলায় বলি চুম্বন এত সহজে দেওয়া যায় না। Is it? Then I decided that I will drop her from my story. Then I prepared a story, and that clicked all over India. But accidentally I have written one line that Mrs. Suchitra Sen declined to comment. That she grabbed and telephoned me. So what happened? You told me that you will not keep my name in your story, but you have kept my name here. Why? And then let us have a truce, and you one day come please and have a cup of tea with me.
How lovely. But that was her private view. That kissing is very difficult on screen. Okay. The other story that I've heard is apparently once she was unwell and needed to see a urologist. And she asked you to find her one, and you did.
Yes.
And then what happened?
A urologist, she's a very popular urologist in the city, and very, সাজানো গোছানো, আমি কি বলবো, খুব স্টাইলিশ। দেন I contacted him, she agreed, and one evening he came and met Mrs. Sen. They were alone, they are talking about teaching. After the doctor left the house, Mrs. Sen came out and said, "What happened? Your doctor hold my hand at least for 10 minutes." I said, No, I'm not. No, she was examining your pulse. That I know, what pulse he is examining, that I know.
What an amazing story, really. And then there was another one about a gynecologist she
And a
visited.
gynecologist, you say, it's a very. I took her to Dr. Bulbul Bhattacharya, a gynecologist, a very famous gynecologist, that she sat among the other patient. At least good 20-25 patients are waiting for. Then there is to some extent uneasiness people, and not hue and cry, but everybody spotted her that Mrs. Sen sat in there. However, immediately I rushed to doctors. I say, there will be a scene, better you see her again. However, she examined her, came back home. There was a Moon was there, Ashit Chaudhary was there. At that time, that kids, Raima and Ria, at that time was not there. And another gentleman was there, I don't know him. Then he said, "You know what doctors told me?" "What?" "You are fine." This is not only fine, doctor told me I am still. I said, "What? What still?" "I am still virgin." I mean, my God, you are still virgin? You are a mother of Moon Sen. Well, the doctor told me, then what can I do?
So obviously,
This was Susita Sen.
a wonderful sense of humor.
Oh, yes, wonderful sense of humor. But today there will be no humor. He is not with us. No humor, nothing will sit.
When did you last speak to her?
I actually met her in the year 2006. But last telephone I received last year only. She asked me, "How are you?" Then I told him I had a bypass, to keep yourself clean. Now, I don't know when, in the morning when I heard her sad demise, then I started feeling that আমার একজন সুবর্ণার দাই is oil wisher is.
I have to ask you one question to which perhaps only you have the answer. And that is, why did she keep herself away from the public eye?
Actually, there is no direct reply I got from her. Only one thing I can guess, after Pranay Pasha, actually she failed to achieve the success.
It was not a hit.
Not a hit at all. Then she became morose, and at that time, immediately she went to Belur, met Bharat Maharaj, and had a long time with him. Just sat near her legs and was weeping at that time. Bharat Maharaj, what I later came to know, that told her Ma Gridho, It means lobe corona, don't be greedy. This word, I think, she started to translate into her own life, say no greed. Actually, at that time, she was very much fond of Bharat Maharaj, but she বেলুড়ে তিনি দীক্ষা নিয়েছিলেন বীরেশ্বরানন্দজি has blessed her, and Bharat Maharaj was her Mahapran. She said this word, that he is my Mahapran. What she directed me, I'll do it.
So no greed.
No greed. Ma grido, lob corona.
You know, a wonderful thing that happened today on a sad day like this, Gopalda. I was talking to people outside her hospital, and people were still talking about her, Suchitra Sen, in the present tense. They could not say that she was a great actress. They kept saying she is a great actress. So what I want to end with is this other lovely story that I have heard about the autograph she gave to a man on the street outside her house.
Yes. Or no, in the evening, not evening, but night at 9:30, she was used to stroll on the Badigan Circular Road along with me. One day, we are wandering just on the road. A gentleman, she recognized Mrs. Sen and stopped. Madam, can you give me autograph? I don't know what mood at that time she had. Yes, give me a paper. At that time there is no paper with that gentleman. Give me pen. Madam, I have no pen. Then she looked at me. I have pen only, no paper. At that time, he saw a empty cigarette just on the road.
Cigarette packet.
Cigarette packet. She picked up. Here I am giving you an autograph. That gentleman was, Mom, what happened? Suchitra Sen has given her autograph just on an empty cigarette packet.
Thank you, Gopalda. I wish I could find the gentleman who had Suchitra Sen's autograph on an empty cigarette packet. What a story that would be. But the story of the day, people who loved Suchitra Sen, who love Suchitra Sen, continue to speak today of her in the present tense. The iconic star of Bengal will never die from the hearts and minds of the people who love her. In Kolkata with G.D. Shankar, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.